2, 3. Alrighty, so we're in Darwin. Hello, Lisa King. Today is the 6th day of my trip. First word about Darwin is it's actually very quiet. It's really quiet. Look, there's one person exercising over there, and me, and there's a lady over there. Looks like she's going to work or shopping. That's an entertainment center, but it's like dead. You know, that's a restaurant I went to yesterday, Hanuman, which was really good. Here we go. Let's see what Darwin has to offer. Oh, look, there's bells. There's a church, I think. So yeah, that's my initial thoughts on Darwin. This is actually a very quiet place. Maybe I'm in the quiet area. Ooh, water. Let's go to the water. Oh no, we can't go to the water. Okay. When I got to my bike this morning, I found out that the number plates were loose. So they're like the two balls that is holding the number plate have come up loose. The owner of the hotel gave me a full screwdriver and a spanner. Then I just tightened them up so as much as I could. But I'll have to keep an eye on that now to see I don't let it go longer. Yeah, there's buildings. There's a lot of hotels where I live. Oh, look at that. That's a nice view. There's a lot of hotels where I live, so maybe I'm in the part of where there's a lot of travelers, but because of the situation right now, there's not much travelers. Yesterday after the rain, one of my USB out of the two is not working. So I don't know about the side ones, but from the front one, there are two. One of them is no longer working. Yeah, this looks like a quiet area, very quiet. Maybe I'm not in the CBD or... No entry. No entry. Ooh, giant dish. Wow, is it calling aliens or something? What's with these little scooters here, like parked like these? Like I saw somebody else riding it, but I've seen a few of them just parked like that. Don't they get stolen? More of these things. See, these things are just left like that. Like, how do you turn it on? Do you put like a coin? Like, there's one there, right there. Do you put like a coin or something to make it work? And it'll go for like maybe what, 10 minutes, you know, and then you just leave it there. So I'm just gonna get into Willie's, get some water for the day, and also sunscreen. I should get some sunscreen if I'm gonna ride without the jacket. Whee! That's Woolies. Oh look, there's a dog. Oh, somebody left their dog in. Are you kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me? Someone left their dog in the car in this heat. It's 32 degrees. And in the car it's gonna get hotter. That dog, that poor dog. One way, okay. Don't do that, guys. Please don't do that. Like, treat your dogs, kids, and Wolverines with respect. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪੁਲਿਸ ਦਾ ਕੰਮ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ? ਅੱਛਾ, ਕਿੱਥੋਂ? ਸਿਡਨੀ ਤੋਂ? ਬ੍ਰਿਸਬਨ ਤੋਂ? ਅੱਛਾ, ਉਹ ਕੰਮ ਤਾਂ ਹੋਗਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਉੱਥੇ। city of Darwin. Welcome to Garden Ovals. Is this a cricket ground? Oh no, it's too small for a cricket ground, right? Maybe a footy ground. East Point Road. Let's go to East Point Road, see where we go. City of Darwin, East Point Reserve. Pee-wee! Pee-wee! Oh, Military Museum. Oh, it's raining. What do I see here? What's that? It's a horse poo, let me guess. Or wallaby, pony poo. There you go. Close enough. Pony poo for $3 a bag. Opening hours 10 a.m. to 3:30, 7 days a week. Military Museum. Okay. So this is supposed to be Military Museum. I think it's inside. But that looks like some sort of a observatory, or somewhere like you would shoot things out of for to the planes. You know, wonder what that is. Let's see. Doodly, a strategic point. Okay, yeah, so that's a strategic point. Things to do to see it's a logistic point. Okay. Enjoy the spectacular sunsets. Watch agile wallabies. Okay. A walk around the Margrove Broadwalk where you can learn. Okay, why am I talking like this? Places to visit while in Darwin. Okay. Now they just went off Darwin topic. Okay, so yeah, it's just some sort of a strategic point. When railway communications with other portions of the Commonwealth has been established, the importance of the Port Darwin will be so greatly increased from the commercial and the strategic points of view that it will be sound policy to provide fixed defense to protect the port against attack in 1911. There's some swans over here. What's this? The Night Land Tower. Okay. The command post would appear only to be 100 yards from the nearest gun instead of about 400 yards. It has to be raised to 30 to 40 feet on a structure to secure the necessary command. Okay. I knew it was something to do with World War. Like, I think during the World War II, I think Japanese attacked this place. They attacked Australia, like the Darwin side, the top side of it. And I think there has been one big cyclone, on one of the Christmas days. So that's what I know so far about Darwin. Wallabies! Wallabies! They look like they don't want to be here. Oh, there's more wallaby. Wild care. Oh, snakes. Apparently there are snakes here. Ooh, jellyfish, yeah. Oh yeah, there's apparently box jellyfish in the sea around here. The sting from the jellyfish can be deadly, so remember that if you come to Darwin, and if you want to go into waters, you know. Oh, doggy! Hey, doggy! I spoke to one of the Facebook groups where the guys were like, "Oh, go to Channel Islands, is one of the nice places to ride here in Darwin." I was not wearing the gear because I thought it was going to be a good day, but you go into the shopping center, get out, and suddenly it's... Hello. A little bit. I was like, it was a nice hot day, so I was, yeah. I know. I went into that Casarina shopping center, got out, started riding, and then just this. And before that it was a nice hot day. I'm gonna go back into Darwin. Just gonna ride around a bit and also see if I can find some nice drone shots. And also at the same time I'm gonna try and find some of the lookouts of Darwin. These are the places that are in Darwin, you know, so I don't have to go to Litchfield or Channel Islands. For tomorrow, I think I am going to see this whole group of riders from it is veterans MCNT, that's what they call it. So yeah, if I do get say some nice footage of it, I will be putting that but so far it's a gloomy day today. It's just doom and gloom. I don't know if I'm gonna get any good footage out of this at all. Thanks for watching, guys. This is the 6th day. Whatever I see, you know, I'll put it in the end of the video.